Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Guys, today we're going to take a look at just an absolutely stunning 1969 Dodge Coronet. Gorgeous car, guys. 96 miles on a complete nut and bolt rotisserie restoration. And I'm telling you guys, it's probably one of the nicest clones. It's a true RT, factory RT car, but it's got a 426 Hemi underneath the hood, and probably one of the most detailed clones you'll ever have a chance of owning. Beautiful car. I've got all the documentation and receipts for the car. It is a two-owner car. Gentleman I bought this from, Dave, that restored it. Him and his brother Mike, I got to be honest with you guys, I'm a Mopar guy. They probably forgot more about Mopars than I'll ever know. The kind of guys that know what kind of wheels and nuts and bolts were on every Mopar. And Dave's the one who built this car. Really just a gorgeous car. Finished it about a year ago. I first seen it at the Mopar show over in Pennsylvania. Like I say, I cannot over-describe this car to you. It is completely stunning. The bottom of the car is as nice as the top. He actually built it for the Pure Stock Nationals. I actually had him change some stuff back so that it was much more drivable. One was he put a 391 sure grip in it so that it's something that you can drive on the street. But gorgeous car. I mean, I think he said he's got $2,500 in that front grille. Factory A4 silver car. Again, it is a two-owner car. We have all the paperwork for that, the original sales seats and everything like that for the car when the car was bought new. Again, a factory 440 car that he's converted to a Hemi. There's not really much, guys, that I could actually nitpick on this car. It is just stunning. He had it over at the McCacken show, and actually there's a 1/18th die cast coming out of this car in August. Matter of fact, his brother sent me the link for that, so whoever buys the car will have an opportunity. I'll send you that link to be able to get a die cast of this particular car. It's done. The measurements were done right at the show. Again, the car's got 96 miles on it. It's brand spanking new. Gorgeous paint. It's got the bias ply red lines on it with the 15-inch steel wheels, the correct dog dish hubcaps on it. Just a stunning car. I mean, it literally, turn the key, take it right to the show. There's just, I mean, I can't think of 10 cents you'd spend on this car. Have all the documentation, the dyno sheets for the 426 Hemi in it. He's got I think he said he's got $2,500 in rocker arms on this car. Dual quad 426 Hemi. It's not even 30 over. It's built to 426 stock specs. And like I say, if you go around this car, I mean, it is brand stinking new. I love the color combo, the A4 silver. I think that was a real plus for Dave. I think he loves that color. It's got the 054 Mopar radiator in it with a shroud, Ramcharger hood, and that's the Hemi Ramcharger box. Even like, I'm sorry, I forgot his name because the guy has actually passed away, but he's the one who did all the what do you call it? Oh my God, I'm drawing a blank here, guys. But all the latches and everything for the car, that's all the correct material. Even these are date coded. Beautiful car. Whoever owns a car, whoever buys a car, guys, I'll definitely give you all Dave's contact information. Great guy, again, him and his brother, great Mopar guys. Look how nice that A-pillar chrome is. Beautiful black interior. 6-way seat. It's got the buckets with the buddy seat in here. Factory dash, getting 96 miles on it. He's got the aftermarket sun tach with the Stewart Warner gauges underneath. It's a factory thumb wheel AM radio. Actually, he had it as a radio delete car. He put the radio back in it for me. Dual exhaust. Again, it's got the 8 3/4 391 sure grip in it. Here is all the paperwork on the car. Again, the dynos, the dyno sheets, the original owner paperwork, factory jack with spare. Let's see, this car is, it's a show car, guys. It really is just turnkey show car. Take it to the show, put mirrors underneath. Look how nice the fuel tank is. Put mirrors underneath it. Like I say, there's nothing I can really pick, guys. It's just gorgeous. See all the Chrysler glass. In the dash and the gauges down there are all functional. Backup lights work. That is a bad ride right there, guys. Just gotta get a station. It's got power and everything. Just gotta find a station. Blower motor, we know that works.
Radio works.
Yeah, I know. Just gotta find a station.
Find a station.
Put the radio does work, guys. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page, or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That car is stunning. Have a great day, guys.